Let's start module 3. The first concept in this module 3 is Poisson's equation. Poisson's equation can be obtained from Gauss law. We know that D is a flux density, electric flux density, rho is volume charge density, and from Gauss law it is del dot D equal to rho V. Rho V is volume charge density as told earlier here. Del is the divergence operator. You know del is the divergence operator, that is dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou zx operator. And D is equal to epsilon naught into E. Flux density is equal to epsilon naught into electric field intensity. This is also an equation which we are already having. And another equation is E is equal to minus del V, potential gradient equation, which is derived in the second module. Minus del into V. That is written here from the potential concept which is studied in the last module. By combining above equations, we can write del dot D equal to rho V, first equation, and D is equal to epsilon naught E, second equation. So from first and second equation, so let us substitute for the first equation del dot D equal to rho V. In place of D you can use epsilon naught into E and right side of that equation as it is. Then del dot epsilon naught, again E is nothing but minus del into V, which is there in equation 3, so that E is replaced by minus del into V, right side rho V as it is. Now you have del operator here as a multiplicand, therefore epsilon naught you can take it outside, minus sign with that, and del square V will come. Del, if you take inside, del square V, right side rho V as it is. Therefore del square V is equal to negative sign on the right side minus rho V divided by epsilon naught. So this is minus del square V equal to minus rho V by epsilon naught is a Poisson's equation. So this equation is called as Poisson's equation. It is applicable to only for homogeneous field with epsilon naught, epsilon r is constant. When epsilon naught, epsilon r are constant, then only this equation is valid. Otherwise we have to use Laplace equation. I have written extra here. What is del? Del is dou by dou x into ax plus dou by dou y into ay, dou by dou z into az cap. These are unit vectors, ax cap, ay cap, az caps. Del into v means for the same equation v is multiplied. Left side also v is multiplied. So right side also if you multiply v, so v will come for all the terms. Dou by dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Then again if you take another del operator over here, so this del into v as it is here, and this del is here, dou v by dou x extra, if you multiply both these two, what will happen is del into del dot v becomes del square v, and multiply these two, both the terms on the right side, what you get is dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou z square. So unit vectors ax into ax1, ay into ay1, az into az1 you get. So this is a del square v. Actually Poisson's equation completes here only, but still what is del and what is del square v, so I have shown here. Next, coming to Laplace equation. If the volume charge density rho v equal to 0, even though point charge, line charge and surface charge exist, then Poisson's equation is modified as, so in this Poisson's equation del square v equal to 0, if rho v is 0, what will you get? Del square v is equal to 0, because if you see it is a del square v equal to minus rho v by epsilon. If rho v is 0, then that equation comes as del square v equal to 0. This equation del square v equal to 0 is known as Laplace equation. So only this is how to remember, this is the Laplace equation and this is a Poisson's equation. The difference is, so there is a homogeneous medium, here is a not homogeneous medium, therefore rho v is 0. Then below this I have written what is the del square v in Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system, del square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou z square equal to 0. This is Cartesian coordinate system as applicable to this equation. Del square v in the cylindrical system will be 1 by rho dou by dou rho dou v by dou rho plus 1 by rho square dou square v by dou pi square plus dou square v by dou z square, cylindrical equation. Sometime if rho is confusing for charge density also and all, we can use in place of rho as r, but these three equations you have to remember. So this is third equation, 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou v by dou r plus 1 by r square sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta dou v by dou theta plus 1 by r square sin square theta dou square v by dou pi square equal to 0. This is a del square v in the spherical coordinate system. These three are in the different coordinate system. First del square v, this is in the Cartesian. This is del square v in the cylindrical. This is del square v in the spherical coordinate system. So all these three equations you should remember for solving the problems throughout this module. Okay, when the problems comes I'll tell you. Okay, thank you. Stop.